Hello everyone. Alright, today we're gonna be unboxing the new AirPods Max. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box. Say what you want about Apple, but my goodness, they know how to make it a special thing. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and slide it open. And there we go, we get our first look at the AirPods Max. Got them in space grey. They do come in 5 different colours. They retail at 899 Australian dollars. This is just a first impression. And it feels great. You know, it looks great. We get a first look at the actual controversial case. Now, it's supposed to be able to put your AirPods into a low power mode. You can't switch these off. But yeah, there we go. Looks nice, feels great in the hand. Just remove these little white cups and reveal the nice soft plush ear cups. Alright, there it is. I'll do a full review later on. Thanks for watching.